The barrier is gone, so it's not like you need crazy resources anymore. If you've got a goal, you can get there. So my name is Amir Shahin. I'm from Noble Restaurant Group. We operate around 20 sites, always expanding. But when we started using the MCP, it was around 3 weeks ago. Before that, we were just using AI and just to make our lives easier and query a little bit of data, but also they were pulling reports, multiple reports from all the different sites. And it was very manual because you can't do a bulk export. The Tenzo MCP, I got really excited when I saw the video because, you know, there's so much data and you can build the custom dashboards, but just to ask in natural language and for all of the data to be there, the output as well that we were getting from the MCP was really pleasantly surprising because I didn't think it was going to be that good. So it just opened the doors to a lot. The time taken to get to an output as well meant that, you know, data analysts could do multiple things for the same day, or we could focus on a bigger project. I think we were looking at Tuesday to Thursdays and Friday to Saturday between drink, beverage and food splits. So then we can see by site, that site has an uptick in beverage on the weekends, but this site doesn't have much of an uptick, and we can just drill down into the sites now and get that granular data and try and understand a little bit quicker why that's happening. It can definitely increase revenue. Alley Cats now is doing a lot of deliveries, so we can really query the data and understand, you know, where the bottlenecks are, what sites are best for delivery, how we can implement and refine the strategy moving forwards to be more efficient and to really get the most productivity out. A problem that is probably solved is now, you know, direction from the directors. Now they can just query it themselves and then give a broader direction out to maybe the data analysts, or this is what we need to focus on. Not many organizations have a data repository with all of their data, kind of what Tenzo does. So it's probably your only source that has labor, reservations, POS, maybe reviews. Just to be able to query all of that data, there's so much you can do. And obviously the AI, based on your business context, can help you to get there as well. Get on it as quick as you can. Get as many data sources in as are relevant, obviously, to the business context. The barrier is gone, so it's not like you need crazy resources anymore. If you've got a goal, you can get there. Yeah.